If you've ever needed to type the trademark symbol in LibreOffice Writer but weren't sure where to find it, this video is going to make it super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact steps to insert the trademark symbol, whether you're starting a new document or working inside an existing one. This is a quick but really useful skill if you're writing product names, brand references, business documents, or any content that needs that little trademark symbol. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document if you want to start a new document. Or, if you already have a file open, just open your existing document and continue from there. The important thing is simply getting into LibreOffice Writer, because that's where we're going to insert the symbol. Now, move your cursor to the exact spot in the document where you want the trademark symbol to appear. This part is important because the symbol will be inserted wherever your cursor is placed. So before you do anything else, click in the sentence, line, or paragraph where you want the trademark symbol to go. Once your cursor is in place, look at the top menu bar and click Insert. This opens a list of tools and options you can use to add things into your document. From that menu, click Special Character. This is the feature that lets you access symbols and characters that are not usually found on the normal keyboard. After that, a character selection window should appear. In this window, you may see many different symbols, so it helps to choose a font that contains the character clearly. A good option is DejaVu Sans, since it usually displays common symbols very well. You can also browse through the available characters until you find the trademark symbol. Scroll or search through the list and select the trademark symbol, which looks like this, Trademark. Once you've highlighted it, click Insert. In many cases, you'll also see an OK button. So after inserting the symbol, click OK to close the window and return to your document, and that's it. The trademark symbol will now be inserted right where your cursor was placed. If you need to add it again later, you can repeat the same process anytime in LibreOffice Writer. It's a very simple method, but once you know where the option is, it becomes much faster than trying to copy and paste the symbol from somewhere else. So let's do a quick recap. Open LibreOffice, open Writer or your document, place the cursor where you want the symbol, go to Insert, choose Special Character, select DejaVu Sans if needed, pick the trademark symbol, and then click Insert and OK. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.